Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Kraken's two-factor authentication app in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to download the two-factor authentication app. You could use Google Authenticator, or you could choose to download Audi. Those are two-factor authentication apps that you can use. And once you have the apps, just go ahead and enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account by going to the account setting page, and there once you find the two-factor authentication, you can just choose that, and then you're going to need to scan the QR code that's displayed on Kraken's website using the two-factor authentication app that you downloaded on your mobile device. So just enter the two-factor authentication code that's generated by the app, and that's going to help you to complete the two-factor authentication setup process. Now you can use the two-factor authentication app to log into your Kraken account, and also you can be sure to regularly update the two-factor authentication app to ensure that you have the latest security patches. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's two-factor authentication app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next